the show box, runway 7 right.
Very much. We enjoyed being here. Hope to see you next year.
Roger that, and if I don't, it was great.